H-1B visa has long been a highly coveted employment visa for foreign citizens. Recent requests from the Trump administration have put greater attention on the program. For clarity on this and other policies keeping some communities on edge, we welcome immigration attorney Marc Santamaria to the program. Marc, thank you for joining us this morning.
My pleasure.
All right, so Marc, the information that's been requested by the administration, at least by ICE, what can you tell us about that?
Yes, there's been an increase in possible information requests, for example, from ICE check-ins that has given a rise for concern in California and the Bay Area from those kinds of instances, and then also with H-1B. To your point, there are proposed changes, and we see a lot of influx of questions that have been coming to our office and many others.
What are some of those questions that you're seeing?
For example, how can my H-1B be affected with this, with the attacks on the H-1B visa from this administration? And do I still have a chance? What will happen if the policies change with my application? Can I transfer my H-1B from one company to another during this time? And they're reluctant to do so because there might be some difficulties in doing so with possible changes to the H-1B system.
So you, in regards to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services asking for information related to the H-1B visas, do we know why and if this is normal for U.S. Immigration Services to request additional information about H-1B visa users' identities?
It's not as common as before, and it's something for people to be aware of and speak to their immigration attorney if they have one, or their company, because there are changes that are arising with such programs. And so you have to talk about with your attorney to check if you should disclose certain information, because there are there are a lot of changes with forms. For example, with these H-1B applications to other kinds of applications for citizenship, there are changes that this administration is doing, and then you have to keep up with the changes in forms and what the information's requested of you.
So does this mean, or is there a concern that this collection is being collected to be used against H-1B visa holders?
That might be a possibility, and so that you again have to speak with an attorney to make sure if this is disclosing something that you don't want to disclose. Is this causing you, the applicant, put you up for scrutiny? And so remember that we all have a Fifth Amendment right to not incriminate ourselves and remain silent. And so with that, be aware of what you choose to disclose to USCIS Immigration.
All right. Marc Santamaria, thank you so much for joining us this morning and providing information on this subject that's starting to come to light. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.